Welcome back to Thailand VIP Travels, your one-stop shop for all things travel and Thailand. In today's exclusive episode of our travel series, we're diving deep into the heart of packing. We're going to unveil the top 5 travel essentials you absolutely need for your first trip to the land of smiles. So, buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. Planning your first trip to Thailand and not sure what to pack? Well, you're in for an adventure. Today we're unveiling the top travel essentials for your journey into the heart of Southeast Asia. First on the list is the Columbia Unisex Bora Bora Boonie fishing hat. This hat isn't just a fashion statement, it's your personal sun shield. With a wide brim and vented mesh, it's designed to keep you cool under the Thai sun. Introducing the next item in our lineup, moisture-wicking and fast-drying shirts from Columbia. This isn't just your typical shirt, it's a dream come true for adventurers. Designed with moisture-wicking, fast-drying fabric and a well-ventilated structure, it stands out as the ideal choice for a diverse range of activities, whether you're exploring jungles or hopping between islands. Footwear is important too. Yalox water shoes are high flexible, with drainage holes and non-slip soles for stability. They're perfect for those seamless transitions from speedboat to the sandy beaches of Thailand. Our fourth essential is the packable rain jacket. Lightweight, compact, and absolutely necessary for those unexpected downpours during Thailand's humid rainy season. Lastly, we have a lightweight travel backpack, compact, organized, and water-resistant. It's your perfect companion for day trips in Thailand. You can find links in the description for easy access to these essentials. Now you're ready to face the weather and exciting activities that Thailand has to offer. So, to quickly recap, the top 5 essentials for your trip to Thailand are the Columbia Unisex Bora Bora Boonie fishing hat, the Columbia Men's Silver Ridge 2.0 shirt, Yalox water shoes, the packable rain jacket, and the lightweight travel backpack. Thumbs up if you found this helpful, subscribe for more travel tips, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Safe travels, adventurers, and see you in the next video.